everyone, Fred here. Thanks for joining the Camping Family channel. We're out here at Cuddy Sunset, and I just saw a little tip I wanted to point out here. I had fixed a door latch. There's a door latch that broke. I wanted to point this out. This latch here broke, and I went to Home Depot, purchased another one. Kind of jimmied it in here just to make sure it worked. I'm gonna get some nicer screws for it, but this really protrudes more in the opening than the old one. You can see the part that came on this bounder right here. If you look, not sure it's going to see much, but there's a piece here that latches onto the door latch. It really wasn't long enough. So my jimmy rig was go to Home Depot, get a door latch here, and put it on here and try it. This works excellent. It almost works too good, because if we go out here to the other side of the door, the way these are built, and I just replaced this as well because the spring broke, is because that other piece protrudes more in. This piece here needs to go in more, which means you have to depress this more in. Now when you close your main door, your exterior door, this little standoff is what pushes in the locking mechanism here to unlatch your screen door. So my concern was, and I just thought about this when I was here and I wanted to lock the camper without anybody inside, because my wife isn't here yet, was I could probably get locked out if that is too far and this standoff isn't long enough to push us in all the way, if that makes sense. But I just tested it and it's okay, because this here doesn't have to be fully put in to unlatch, or when it retracts, it doesn't have to be fully retracted to get past that little bar on that latch, if that all makes sense. But these three pieces all go together to unlock this door, and they have to be pretty much dead on. But I just wanted to document this. If you're thinking about replacing your screen door latch, take note of the latching mechanism on the door frame and make sure that this doesn't protrude too much, and do some testing before you get to a campsite and nobody's inside the camper. Definitely do that at home with somebody inside. So hopefully that makes sense. Hard to explain, but I think you can see what I'm trying to get my point across. Hope everyone's doing well, and we'll see you on the next one.